Hi, first graders. Yesterday in math, we talked about subtraction and subtracting multiples of 10 from a two-digit number. We talked about what that symbol is, and that is our subtraction symbol. We can say minus also, and that means to take away. So we can say subtraction means to take away. When we subtract, we're taking away the second number from the first number in that problem. So our I can statement we're going to continue working on today is I can subtract multiples of 10 from a two-digit number. So let's repeat it back. I can subtract multiples of 10 from a two-digit number. And we talked about yesterday, what really is a 10? We can think of a 10 as 10 ones. If I were to put all of these ones together, it would equal 110. So we're going to be working with our base 10 blocks, and specifically this 10, or I'm sorry, the 10s in our base 10 blocks. So on our seesaw page, you have an activity that looks like this. Yesterday we were able to move the base 10 blocks to take them away, but today we're going to use drawing tools. So you're going to use your pen or your pencil, and you can select whatever color, but make sure it's not that green color so that way I can see that you crossed out the numbers. So our problem is going to be 50 minus 40 equals. Remember, when we subtract, we always start with that first number, and it's usually bigger than the second number. So I can double check to make sure I have enough base 10 blocks to subtract from, and I know each base 10 block represents 110, so I can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All right, so I do have enough to start my subtraction problem. Now I need to take away 40 from 50. I can do this by counting, and I'm going to select a color that will be good and clear to show up on top of the green. So what I'm going to do is cross out as I count by tens. So I can say 10, 20, 30, 40. And a good strategy we can use when we subtract is to circle what is left over. And how many base 10 blocks did I circle? I only circled one, so I know I have 10 here. If I wanted, I can count each individual one, but that would take me a long time. I know when the ones are together like this, it represents 110. So I can use my pen tool to write the number 10 on the line. You may also use your pencil tool, or you may use the text box to type in the number. You will have 10 problems like this, so you are going to complete the rest by clicking on the second slide and completing. And you're going to do this all the way down until you finish 10 slides. When you're all finished with all 10, you are going to press that green check to submit your work. Enjoy first grade, and once again, don't hesitate to reach out to Miss Dominic, and I would love to walk you through it. Have a great day.